I'm here to show you how to switch out your dust port on your Gen 1 Origin. All right, so you're going to remove your finger guard, and you'll see 3 hex heads. So 1 is next to the handle over in this corner, and then number 2 and number 3. So I find it easier to remove your spindle first. It kind of gets that out of the way. And I'll remove that. And then we can go on in. It's a bit of a tricky angle, but you can get it to work. There we go. So that's 1. It's going to keep bumping into the spindle, but that's okay. That's 2. And then this one's the easier one. And yep, that's 3. So we'll remove this port, unhook it from the cable, and this is a good time to clean out this area. You'll see that all this extra sawdust and debris, so this is a good time to clean that out. Okay, we've cleaned it out, and then we're ready to swap out for our new dust port cover. So nice and new, you just line it up to where it was before. You can see it fits in pretty nicely, and we'll screw those back in. Starting with the easier one first. Alright, now everything is tightened down. I snap my cable back in, and your dust port is good as new.